guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal makeup caddy. So what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants, and these are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of this silver bling wrap, and this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 3 of these square mini vases or candle holders, so you'll need 3 of these. You're going to need 1 of these Tealight holders. They come in a pack of 2. And you're going to need 2 of these square mirrors from Dollar Tree. Also from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a piece of foam board. Now from Walmart, I have some of these peel and stick gemstones. This is the multi-pack. You can really use whatever size you like. I'm going to be assembling this with hot glue, but if you'd like to make the project lasting or permanent, you will need to use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam Crystal Makeup Caddy turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. And if you can think of some other ways you could use this makeup caddy other than just for makeup, please leave some comments in the comments section. It may be helpful to someone else who may not use makeup, but they could still use this caddy for something else. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.